Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Sense Energy Monitor setup for Smart Home Insights step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Sense Energy Monitor is properly installed and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Open the Sense app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with your existing Sense account credentials. Once logged in, you will see the home screen displaying your energy consumption. Tap on the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, look for the Device Settings option and tap on it. Confirm that your Sense Energy Monitor is listed and active. Next, navigate to the Wi-Fi network section to verify your connection. Make sure your monitor is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. If it's not connected, follow the prompts to reconnect. Return to the main screen by tapping the back arrow in the top corner. Now, select the Energy tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see a graph displaying your energy usage over time. Check that the data appears consistent with your expectations. If you notice any inconsistencies, tap on the Notifications tab. Review any alerts or issues that may indicate a problem with setup. For further verification, check the Home tab for device detection. Under the Devices section, ensure that your major appliances are listed. If not, begin the device detection process by tapping Setup. Follow the prompts to help train your Sense monitor on recognizing appliances. Once completed, monitor your energy insights over the next few days. Keep an eye on the Trends section to analyze usage patterns. Periodically review your notifications for updates on device performance. After a week, revisit the Energy tab to see if your data has stabilized. Evaluate how well the Sense monitor aligns with your expectations. For any ongoing issues, consult the Help section in the app for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.